Eureka Park is always the most crowded space at CES. This is where you'll find inventors that have come up with new innovations that will blow your mind.
DeepNen creates deep fakes for Hollywood.
We can also scale and virtualize, say, George Clooney's face when he can't be in a commercial in Germany, but we can set up the scene so we can just implant his face on somebody else's.
Developers in Korea replace the smartphone keyboard and type out messages on a tabletop. Every country is represented. I saw Belgium, I saw France, I saw lots of robots sing and dance. This robot is a bartender.
Dit is real meat, yeah.
In Holland, they're getting steak without harming a cow.
A small biopsy from the animals, and with that we get to create fat and muscle cells, and that gives you the basis of a good steak, of a good burger.
The app is called Heard That.
As noisy as this place is, this app can cancel all of that noise so you only hear the person talking directly to you.
I can only hear your voice. That is amazing.
And this software can identify any face in the room. If it's ever paired with Facebook or Google with their millions of photos, you could be picked out of a crowd anywhere.
CES 2020 wrapping up, and pretty soon all of these folks are going to be headed back home, and once they get home, they'll start working on CES 2021. From CES in Las Vegas, I'm Jamie Tucker, and that's What the Tech.